You see the glow, you see the color. This is definitely one of my most beautiful ombre wigs. I feel like Beyonce. I feel like a Puerto Rican in this hair.
This ain't it. This is definitely not it. You sound surprised.
Well,
this video is brought to you in collaboration with Unice. The package arrived in this brown box, and in that is a really nice pink magnetic closure box. And first thing is a pink satin bag to store your hair, and also an informative brochure or handout. I've never seen this one before. Nice. And of course, it's got the QR code and contact information. They've also included some HD wig caps. And now the star of the show, the hair, the wig. Stickers for those who like to glue down their sideburns. I generally don't use that. All right, look at the hair. Oh my goodness, look at all those curls. It's giving Shirley Temple at first. All right, let's take out the packaging and look at that hairline. It is amazing. Clearly, it's already styled for you and it looks so natural. Look at that parting. Flipping the wig inside out, you can see there's combs in the back. There's an adjustable pull string. There's also another adjustable string in the front. And also look at the wide lace. So you can be able to get a middle part or a side part. Now I'm just spraying it with some warm water to revive the hair. As you can see, it comes curled at the ends, but I want a more natural look. So wetting the hair loosens those curls. However, if you still want it curly, you can also do finger curls that will set in place after you apply a little bit of mousse. And once it dries, it will look so natural. Okay, are we ready for this quick install? This fun transformation? I know I am. As you can clearly see, I do not have a relaxer and my type 4 hair is braided to the back, big messy braids. I have sectioned off a thin section or layer to the front, okay? And now I'm going to put on my HD wig cap. I'll be honest, I don't always wear a wig cap when I'm putting on a wig, but today I will. I have the wig on a canvas head. Remember, I sprayed it with water and then I let it dry. I'm so excited. I can't wait to put it on. To pre-tint the lace, I'm going to add a little bit of powder to the lace, and this is optional, you know, depending on your skin tone, you want it to match. And then I'm adjusting the strap, which I put over my head and then plop the wig over. And it's really that simple and that quick. Now I pull the adjustable strap in the back, tuck it under. I don't even use the comb. You can certainly use the comb for additional security, and boom, I'm done. Like, it's that simple. That was my glueless installation. You can definitely stop here, or you can add a spray to melt the lace further. Or you can just add a little bit of powder and that will help disguise the lace with your skin. Now, you know me, right? You know me already, for those who followed for a while. For me, I like my wigs behind my hairline because I don't have much of a forehead. If you have a generous forehead, you can definitely glue the wig or wear it glueless on your forehead. But I have a minuscule forehead or low hairline, so I prefer it again behind. So that's why I previously allowed myself a little bit of my hair. Now I'm adding my Basque and Lather favorite edge control. I also have a little bit of gel in my hair, and then I just brush and blend it with the wig. And honestly, just look. See, easy peasy. It's not that hard. You know, maybe a few more steps than wearing it on my actual forehead, but it's doable. I use a little bit of mascara to cover the lace and blend it with my natural hair. And then you see the demarcation between the lace wig and my actual scalp. I cover it with a little foundation or concealer, kind of bring it down to my forehead and blend it. That way my parting looks more continuous and, you know, the demarcation is not as obvious. And just like that, I'm feeling pretty. I feel like a Spanish. I feel like a Puerto Rican. I feel like a Puerto Rican in this hair. But no, seriously, the hair is beautiful. Love the quality. And you can see the difference between wearing it on my forehead and wearing it behind my hairline. Everyone is different. You may look better wearing it on your forehead if you have a generous forehead. But I feel better with it behind my hairline. Tell me what you think. I absolutely love the quality and the fact that it's not so wiggy. It feels like a natural density, and you can wear the curls brushed out or you can do finger curls. You can have the curls more defined by adding mousse to it or curl cream, or you can not add any product to the hair and it looks just as beautiful, very soft.
I actually think the layers are perfect, but if you really want to give yourself some face framing layers, so I'm just gonna go down. I don't want it too short, because you know with curly hair you don't want to overestimate how much you're cutting. It's gonna curl up and then be shorter than you expected. And now I want to define the curls at the ends now that I've cut it. Spray a little water, you know, assuming you have a little bit of mousse or curling cream on the hair already. And then there you go. You get these beautiful curls. I could definitely see myself wearing this as an everyday wig or going out wig. It feels, you know, not wiggy, not too heavy. It's very, very light, and it just feels natural. It feels like me, special occasion me, or elevated me, exotic me, vacation me, new me. How about we do some more statement earrings? And these look heavy, but they're light. You see how it's lighter around my face? Love it. And the blend is, it's not like the old-fashioned wigs with the sharp demarcation of the light to dark. It's so gradual. It looks very sun-kissed. Yeah, no?
Now, since we're both here, we might as well have some fun, right? I'm going to ask my husband his opinion, but first...
Okay, let's make this big. Let's make this big. You can take a pick and just sort of lift it without disrupting the curl too much. If you like really big hair. Personally, I like it the way it was, but I just want to see how it looks when it's big hair. Okay, because some of you like really big hair. I mean, this is dramatic to me.
I'm clearly having too much fun with this hair. But anyway, it's time to ask my husband his honest opinion about this hair, because I know he'll tell me.
All right, you can open it. Open your eyes, boo.
Oh, it's nice.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
You sound surprised.
Well, there's been a few that's been surprising. Like, I still can't get over that gray look.
Anyway, so you like this?
Yeah.
What do you like about it?
It looks natural. It looks, you know, I like the highlights.
Yeah, you like the light
Yeah,
color.
especially for, you know, summer.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's nice. Not
Cool.
harsh.
You're right. It looks
Yeah.
very natural, right? It's not like, you know, light brown and then black suddenly. It's a very gradual.
Yeah.
Right?
Nice. You know, you look like a girl that I would cheat.
You would
I
what?
would cheat with on my wife.
All right, so you give it a...
Out of 10?
Yeah, out of a 10, what do you give it?
I'd probably say 8.5.
Okay.
Maybe
That's
a
not
9.
bad.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Yeah. No.
Cool. So you think I would get complimented out?
Well, you always get compliments, but yeah, absolutely.
It's a little bit cloudy outside, but I needed to water the plants, and I figure I might as well show you what the hair looks like in natural daylight. As you can see, it looks very natural, very believable. Love the texture, love the color, love the fit. I have zero complaints about this wig. I absolutely love it. Feels so natural, looks so pretty. And again, this is the Chestnut Brown ByeBye Slip Wig Curly Finger Coil, 20 inches. The lace is 7 by 5. And you can see another way I would wear it with this top knot. Cute and easy. I would definitely see myself wearing this to the next cookout, whoever invites me, or to the farmer's market, or, you know, to an outing, or if you're going on a date with your girls. Don't forget to leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think. Leave me a thumbs up. Yep, I'm looking out for those thumbs ups. I need it. And again, check the description box for all the links and a discount code. If you want some money off, there is a discount code. Again, this is a glueless wig, okay? Glueless wig, but you can certainly glue it down if you want to. It's so easy. And again, if you want the stunning ombre wig, check the description box for a special discount code. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Bye-bye.